For Elastic IP lab, we'll create EC2 machine and we'll map the Elastic IP, nothing but public IP to my EC2 machine. So let's first create EC2 machine. Click on EC2, click on launch instance. Here, you can type anything, network, Rhinos, PC. Scroll down. Click on launch. Okay. While it's launching, let's rent out a Elastic IP address. Click on these three lines, left-hand side. Scroll down, click on Elastic IPs. And here, click on allocate Elastic IP address. Make sure that the EC2 instance region and this region is same. So I'll show you my EC2 instance region now. My instance running in US East 1B. So your Elastic IP address should be in US East 1B. It means 1, correct. That's all. Click on allocate. This is going to give me a random public IP address available in the list. Optionally, I can also give a name or DNS record also. So this IP, I'm going to map it with the EC2 machine. To map this IP to my EC2 machine, click on this checkbox, click on action, associate Elastic IP address. Here, click on instance. Here, this will show you your instance name, network Rhinos PC, which is running currently. Click on this and click on associate. Before associating, I want to show you the existing public IP address of my instance. So I opened a new tab. Click on this checkbox under networking, or here itself we can see everything, but I'll show networking under. My public IP is 5287.184.107. So let's associate now. Click on associate. It's associated to my this. Here I'll simply refresh the button now. From 52, I should be able to see new IP. Now see, it's become 34. And this IP will be permanently given until unless I don't release it. Meaning, even if I reboot my instance, right, this IP will not change. Normally, this IP will change when you reboot your instance. You can also verify it by yourself. Now, if you have now how to delete the IP address? Very simple. Click on this. Click here. First of all, you have to deassociate Elastic IP. If you try to release Elastic IP, it will show you that you cannot release association ID. So cancel it. Because it's already working with EC2 machine, we cannot delete it or release it. So you have to click on disassociation Elastic IP address and disassociate. Once disassociated, you can release Elastic IP address. It's released. Now you can come back. You can see that 34 or 234 was there, right? It will change again. It became 3.84. So as you can see, after a small change, the IP addresses keep on changing. That's how you do Elastic IP lab.